Okay, Anderson C, Barbados. This is your Galaxy DX959. I have the LESCOM LC35 installed, and I've done the LESCOM upgrades. That transistor, your first RF amp, has been upgraded to a 2SC2999. And underneath the LESCOM board, you can see the new 15 kilohertz wide filter. That's also been upgraded. Okay, we've done the clarifier mod, permanently wired A&L noise blinker on, so we could use the A&L noise blinker switch for your band switch. This switch that's in the back is now for talkback. Okay, with the bat down it's off, bat up is on. Okay, and the talkback push button is now for your 10 kc switch. Okay, all right, let me get the covers on it. We'll do some power checks. Okay, Anderson, I got the Top Gun CP1 installed right there. Also got your AD203 all wired in. Got to mount it to the bottom cabinet there. Just remember, you got to have an external speaker. Okay, the switch closest to the tag is for talkback. The switch closest to the antenna is for your AD203. All right, more to come. Okay, Anderson, let me show you how this thing works. Your noise blinker A&L switch is now your band switch. Okay, within the A&L position, that's just normal CB channels. Okay, move it to the off position, you drop down to the lower band, which is 40 channels below 1. Okay, move it over to noise blinker A&L and you go up 40 channels. Let's see, you can go up to channel 40, which is 27855. And if you press in talkback, you'll see it jump up 10 kcs. Now, if you ever, let's say you're on channel 1, but yet you're indicating the A channel, or channel 2, just push your talkback button. It means you're up 10 kcs. Okay? I gave you some extra slide too. Like on channel 40, you can go down to 403 or up to 407. So it's 2 down, 2 up. It's actually a little more than 2. It's about 2.5 down, 2.5 up. Okay, for about 5 kcs. Clarifier's unlocked. It moves transmit and receive. And that's about it. Just remember, A&L is CB, off is -40, NB A&L is +40. Talkback is your +10 switch, and to turn talkback on and off, there's a switch in the back here. So most folks, when they set talkback, they turn it off. They turn on talkback so they can set up the audio and the radio, and then they cut it off. So I put that switch back there. That makes it easier for you to get to the +10 kc switch to get to the A channels. Okay. Quick power checks. I'm on AM. Power's turned all the way up. Got a 50 watt slug on the left, 100 watt slug on the right. We're reading on that center scale there on the left. So we're, with it turned all the way up, we're dead keying about 10 watts. And let's see what we do with audio. We're reading on that bottom scale on the peak meter. Audio, about 40 watts. That's pretty good on AM. That's 40 watts peak now. Audio, hello, audio. And about 30 RMS and about 38 peak on sideband. Okay. that'll do it. Anderson, I sure hope you enjoy your radio. It was my pleasure to set it up for you. 7-3, everybody. Okay, Anderson, I got it almost all the way put back together. I still got 4 more screws to put in it. But as you saw, I got your Top Gun CP1 installed. And let me show you the output power. Let's go down to channel 20. I have a 25 watt slug on RMS. Oh no, I'm sorry, that's a 50 watt slug in RMS. 100 watt slug in peak. Okay. Okay, camera. And let's see, it needs to be angled up a little bit. Hang on. And that's too much. That's good enough. Alright, AM, RF power all the way up. Amplifier is off. Okay, so we're reading on the center scale on the left with RF power turned all the way up. We're doing 10 watts. Audio, hello, hello, audio. Reading on the bottom scale on the right, we're doing 40 watts peak. Amplifier off. Audio. Audio. And we move forward to about 12 watts. Okay, now this is on channel 20 on AM. Amplifier on. Still dead key in 10 watts. Okay, as you can see, we jump up to 20 with the amp on. Audio, hello, hello, audio. And 100 watts peak. Okay, that was on AM. Let's switch to sideband now. Remember, you got to use an external speaker on this. Again, we're reading on the center scale on the left. Bottom scale on the right. Left is average or RMS. The right meter is peak. Turn the volume down a little bit. Okay, amplifier is off. Audio, hello, audio. What is that? That's about 26, 27 RMS and about 40 peak, I think. Audio, no, about 32, 35 peak. Okay, amplifier on. Audio, audio, hello, hello, audio, audio, 1 2 1 2, audio, audio. 40 watts average and about 80 watts peak on sideband. Okay. All right. You still need to tell me where to ship it to. Okay. Anderson, I sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to set it up for you. 7-3, everybody.